Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for checking out this video. And if you are a subscriber, thanks for being part of this beauty community. We are doing a look with a palette that I sort of rediscovered. My husband got me this Tarte palette for my birthday, I think it was, a few years ago, and I absolutely loved it. The color story is gorgeous, and then like most makeup things, you know, you get new things and new things and new things, and you forget about the great things you already have. So I decided to go back and rediscover this palette and came up with this look. So let's just get right on into it. We're going to start with a big fluffy eyeshadow brush and this bronzy shade, well, this one beside the peach one, and that's what we're going to use for our wash of color to get everything started. And this palette has such a gorgeous color story. I feel like you can definitely get really soft looks and really bold looks with this palette. So I'm glad that I remembered it and I'm using it. Well, I'm gonna use it more. And you can see, like, even with just that little wash, like, it almost gives like a nice little glow. I could see even just using this on like a light makeup day. Now we're gonna go in with one of the deeper brown shimmer colors, and we're gonna use a small fluffy crease brush and start to define the crease with that. So I'm taking it heavier on the outer portion of the crease because we're gonna drop our brush. We're gonna blend it inward. So I don't want to put a ton of color on the inner part of the crease because we're gonna be blending that way. Once you've got the color to where you want it, go ahead and clean off your brush and just blend it inward. And I'm just taking it sort of like straight on the inner corner. I'm not taking it down. We're gonna go in with a densely packed flat eyeshadow brush and grab this sort of like champagne shade. And this is gonna be like our all over lid color. And this color is just, it's so pretty. Like, you can see just like the glow and pop that adds. And I'm taking this about 3/4 of the way over on the lid. And then once you've got the color where you like it, go ahead and clean off your brush and just buff out the edge. We're gonna take an itty bitty little shadow brush and go in with this darkest brown shimmer, and we're gonna use that in the outer corner to deepen that sort of outer part of the lid a little bit. And I'm gonna tap this on so I have it where I want it, and then start blending it inward and out. So now that I've got it on, I'm just gonna lightly shade it inward into that sort of like champagne shade so that those are blended, and also carry it over into the crease just a little bit. And to further blend this, I'm going in with that little crease brush. It doesn't have anything on it, and I'm just gonna take it and just smooth out the edges. So I wasn't sure how I felt about this under eye part. I thought the purple was going to show a little bit more than I think it is, but it's okay. I do like how it's kind of smoky and different than usual, so we're going to stick with it and roll with it. So we're going to start with an eyeliner brush and this black eyeshadow shade, and we're going to use that to start the bottom liner. I'm going to go really close to my actual lash line on the inner portion, and then start to branch out and go just below my lash line, just to give it, I feel like it gives my eye like a more open effect versus like just tight lining the whole way across. For my eye shape at least, I feel like that makes my eye look more open and accentuates the shape better. So you can see, like, on this part I am further below my lash line. And then we're just going to sort of bring it up because we are going to do a small wing. So I'm just starting that in that corner. Grabbing a little pointed shadow brush, we're going to take this deepest purple in the palette and just smudge it under that line that we just did. So we're basically just smudging this color into the black. I really think I probably should have started with the purple on the other eye and then done the black second. I think that's what I usually do. I don't know why I did it this way. And I think by doing it the other way, you would see more of the purple, but it is what it is. Like, it doesn't look bad, but it just isn't as purpley as I had intended for it to be. Now we're going to go in with a pointed shadow brush and take this lighter purple and just further smudge that in, so we're getting a little bit more like purpley under the eye. I'm just lightly applying this, and you can just keep layering it up until it's like where you like it. And now we're going to take our liner brush and go back over that initial line just to darken it up near the lash line, and also do our wing on the top lash line. And last but not least, for the brow bone highlight, we're going to take this sort of like peachy shade and a big fluffy eyeshadow brush and just highlight the brow bone. And that's it. I'm going to dust off my under eye, put on some mascara, lashes, and lipstick, and I'll be back with the final look. Okay, so this is the final look. I ended up going with a bronzy lip because I thought that it would complement the eye pretty nicely, and I really like how this all came together and that I sort of rediscovered this palette. I'm definitely looking forward to using it more. Let me know what you think about this look and this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. There's a new video every single Friday, and hit that notification bell so you can be very first to know when there is a new video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.